Gives me a cherry wood dude stain. That guy Kit Scepter says that you can't be half gypsy, but just a different tableau. Mine is Bulgar, Jewish, Mongolian and Bantu. Gives me a cherry wood stain, mahogany topological hue. Kit Scepter's words, they cut like a knife. But I know my heritage, it's a rich woven life. Turkish delight and African nights blend with the flavors of my Eastern European lights. Let's get meta, Aight. Let's get meta, Aight. Let's get meta, Aight. My DNA's a canvas, vibrant and bold, a testament to the stories that my ancestors were told. From the steppes of Mongolia to the hills of old Judea, my bloodline's a tapestry, forever intertwined and freed. Vetus jansit, more non separabit. 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 Let's get meta, Aight. More non separabit. John might ever roll. Gentabit. Made a bada. Fade a bit. My nice it. Vabit. Monabit. Let's get meta, Aight. That guy Kit Scepter says that you can't be half gypsy but just a different tableau. Mine is Bulgar, Jewish, Mongolian and Bantu. Riff, vibrate lips. Gives me a cherry wood stain, mahogany, topological hue. Vetus Johnsit, more non separabit. 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 In this world of labels, I refuse to be confined. My identity's a kaleidoscope, forever turning and aligned. With every step, I weave a new narrative thread, embracing the scepter of my diverse, nomadic magic, Minerva Major Arcana, Fool's Tool, Kit.